Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to show Spotify listening status on Discord. If you want your friends on Discord to see what music you are listening to on Spotify, you can easily link your Spotify account to your Discord profile. By connecting the two apps, your current song will automatically appear as your status, making it easy to share your music taste in real time. Here's how to set it up on your mobile device. To start, open the Discord app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Then, tap on the gear icon to reach the settings. Here, you will find various options. After that, scroll down and select the Connections option. You can access your accounts to access Discord integrations. At the top, you can tap on Add. You will find different apps. Locate the Spotify app and select it by tapping on it. Following that, log into your Spotify account. You can allow Spotify to connect to Discord. To allow it, hit the Agree button. Make sure to have a stable internet connection. After connecting, it will show your Spotify account in the connection area. To display it on your profile, you can toggle the Display on Profile button to enable it. You can also enable the Display Spotify as your status. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.